Hey everyone, I'm Exit Sign 250. Welcome to System Test 12 with board number 2, and I have a guest in this one. Say hi.
It's me, FireAlarmDude5967. I'm cool.
Yep, he's here. I think you're like the second person I've had in a guest appearance in one of the system tests before, so that's funny.
Woohoo! Yay.
So, yeah, so he's here. We're going to make some noise. So let's see what I got. So here's the 3-zone EST fire shield. I got the Federal, well this isn't, it's not Federal Signal. Federal Signal originally made this. This is the, I don't know who brands this, but it's model 4050. I know Federal Signal originally made these and other people rebranded them, but yeah, it's a weird pull station. And then I have the Silent Night dual action pole. Looks like a BG8, and it was addressable, but it's conventional now. There's the panel. For notification, wheel lock exceeder. It's on, I think that's 75 Candela, low volume code 3. So yeah, and then beside of it is the system sensor mini horn, Spectral Advanced mini horn, and it's on low volume continuous, so this is going to be fun when it goes off. And the Chemitronics heat detector, that's what it's called. So that's this system. Now for the 10-zone fire shield, I have the Siemens, what is it, HM something. It's the dual action pole. Cerberus Pyrotronics originally made it. And again, this one was addressable and it's not anymore. Then we have this pole station. This is a Mircom dual action one. I don't know the model is. This one also was addressable. It's kind of interesting, and yeah. And then we have the high-rise branded RSG T-bar. So those kind of look similar in a way. This one's normally dual action, but I took off the little lift thing just to make it different in this video. So yeah. The panel, for notification appliances, we have the EST Integrity strobe. I think this is fixed 15 Candela. And then we have the Wheelock MT horn. And I can't remember if I set this to siren or bell. I think it's bell, but I'm not sure. And then for smoke detection, we have the Edwards ionization smoke detector, a system sensor fixed heat detector, 135 degrees fixed temperature. So obviously I can't test this unless I want to blow it up. So we're not going to do that in this video. And then the older Edwards smoke. So that's everything I got. And let's get started. Okay, what do you want me to activate first?
Can you blow up the heat detector?
Yeah, in your dreams. I'm not wasting this. It's just here for display.
Ionization Edwards.
Okay, so you're gonna make me get smoke saber. Conveniently, I have it sitting behind me, so that's what we'll do. I don't think I've ever started a test with a smoke detector, actually. So good on you.
Yeah, I know. That's why I asked you to do a smoke detector, because
okay.
it's super cool.
I don't want to hear that.
Stations are boring.
Stop talking. Just kidding. It might go off. Maybe. Oh.
Oh my goodness, that scared me.
Yeah, that's loud. So it is on bell. I forgot it's on continuous bell, so that's nice.
That was very loud and very annoying.
Well, you got to get out. There's a fire, right?
Fire.
Yep. Okay, now what? Now what shall I do? Why is it beeping again? Cool.
What else do you have up? I literally forgot already.
Oh, imagine that. You got to pay attention next time. So I have.
Dude, it's not my
why?
mechanical Wi-Fi. I can't hear you, dude.
Okay, that's cool.
Alright.
Okay, so I have high-rise branded RSG T-bar, Mircom.
Alright, do that.
Cool.
High-rise is cool.
Okay, enough of that. Let's make some noise on the second system. So I'm gonna pull. Should I pull the 4050 or the Silent Night thing?
Do the Silent Night.
You're about to have a Silent Night. I don't think we're gonna have a silent night tonight. Where's my silent night key? There it is.
It's gone. I stole it.
That's funny. Let's see, what's the model of this? SD500PS. Okay. Neat.
I know. I like how I told you the model of your own full station faster than you did.
I don't know models. And you should have told me earlier when I was talking about it, but you didn't.
Well, yeah, but I wanted to save it for this moment so I could embarrass you.
Oh, that's nice. I don't know what's wrong with this panel. It keeps beeping, and there's no fire. Shh. Stop. Okay, so this is reset. We'll go ahead and do that. And let's reset the pull station. And air this out because I don't want it going off again. Alright. Reset. Let's see. What else can we do? We got more pull stations. We got another smoke detector and then another heat detector, but I don't feel like testing.
Okay, I have an interesting idea.
Huh.
Do you want to hear it?
Sure.
So, what if you burn your house down just to see if the system will work?
Did you say my house is on fire? Ah!
Fire. Yeah, now that's what I like to do.
You know, I think I just realized something.
That's not even just a system test idea. What if, like, for a video, you like actually start a fire in the middle of the night, and then you see if your fire alarm system will wake you out and wake you up, and see if your emergency lights will guide you to an exit, and you also see if your fire extinguishers will put out the fire. And then see, like, it will be like, fire challenge in my house, gone wrong, police called.
Yeah, here's the thing. So I have demo boards, right? These demo boards are not waking me up if my living room's on fire.
Well, I mean...
But if I had a house system, that'd be interesting. If I had a house system and if I had a lot of money to burn down a house...
It was installed by a professional, so, like, I'm sure it will work right.
Ugh.
Yeah.
That's a funny one.
Well,
Alright, let's go ahead and... I don't know why that keeps doing that. Alright, let's see. So, I gotta reset this now. I hate this pull station to reset, it's annoying.
Yeah, by the way, everybody, just so you know, like, we're not being serious. I'm not actually bullying, like, cyberbullying him.
No, he is, so send help.
Yeah, I am actually cyberbullying, like, help. He's getting cyberbullied.
Okay, finally.
Children are burning. I hope, like, this doesn't actually get demonetized, because, like, I don't know.
If you demonetize my video, I'm sending you the bill for this. Okay. Why does this keep beeping? Shut up!
Yeah, that's what you should do, too.
Alright. Alright, we got 2 more devices to do, the Siemens pull and then the Edwards thing, so what should I do first? Should I smoke it out or should I pull it?
Let's see the man pull.
Cool.
Got it. See man pull.
Okay, cool. Alright, well I guess that just beeps now and I can't get it to stop, so that's nice. Wow, that was fast. What? What? What the heck? What the heck? We got a problem. So I just activated the Edwards smoke detector and nothing happened. It's activated, the light's on. and nothing's happening. That's cool. Well, this is the first time something didn't work in one of these videos, so...
I guess you could be one of those, like, enthusiasts who's like, well, that's why we do system tests.
Well, that's why we do system tests on my demo board that are on maybe 2 times a month.
Yeah, to make sure.
Okay, well, I think this panel is...
on fire. Again, maybe you should, like, light your panel on fire.
I think this panel's about to just sleep because I just got troubles on 3 of the zones, and now it's an alarm. Okay, this panel... Oh, man. That's nice. You know why? I think it's because you are here. You ruined it. You just ruined it, because I normally do these alone, and now that... What is happening? Now that you're here...
Cyberbullying.
Oh, cool.
This is not nice.
Either this panel's just nervous that you're here, or, you know what? I'm just gonna turn it off.
Probably just nervous that I'm here. I tend to do that to people.
Okay, well... That was System Test 12 with board number 2. I'm actually nervous this panel is just about to stop working. But hey, that means you'll get to see a new panel if it doesn't work anymore, so that's cool. Well, that's all I got for this one, guys. Do you have anything else to say?
Please do not consume fire alarms.
All right.
They're not very tasty.
Well, that's nice. So
don't do drugs. Stay in school.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, well, that's it. Let's see if this panel survives until next test, whenever that is. So, okay, well, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Check out Fire Alarm, whatever your name is, his channel. He's got a lot of videos that are, you know, interesting, I guess. Anyway, I'll link that in the description. Check it out. He burns things in his house a lot and puts them out conveniently.
I do.
So, okay, well, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Check them out, and yep. So that's it. Bye.
System test with exit sign 250.